David from Tire Review here, and I am in Akron, Ohio at the Goodyear headquarters to test Goodyear's brand new Assurance WeatherReady 2 all-weather tire. Come on, let's check it out. Now, I'm sure I don't have to tell you that the all-weather tires segment is really enjoying a moment. They have been for a while, and I don't think that moment is going to be fleeting anytime soon, especially this time of year when, sadly, we must begin to say so long to that beautiful summer weather. But according to the U.S. Tire Manufacturers Association, there is a real opportunity with this segment, which had 6.1 million replacement tires sold in 2023. Now, this is, of course, not news to tire manufacturers like Goodyear, and they're pouncing on that opportunity with the release of the company's new Assurance WeatherReady 2 all-weather tire, which was recently released to tire dealers in 58 sizes, with dozens more to come and a 60,000-mile tread life limited warranty. The plan is for the WeatherReady 2 to replace the company's original WeatherReady tire, which launched in 2017, and Goodyear plans to eventually phase that tire out in most sizes. Now, I've got to tell you, anytime that you can actually get out there and test a tire, really experience that tire for yourself instead of just uploading a press release and moving on, it's a real treat, and the experience that Goodyear set up for us did not disappoint. For one, the first part of the course was set up to help us experience the WeatherReady 2 in both wet and dry conditions. And I've got to tell you, it was a lot of fun to push my speed in these Honda Pilots and feel the tire really just tear through the water, even around tight turns. It was pretty awesome. Goodyear says that great traction is because of the tire's Aqua Tread technology, which features an enhanced tread pattern with sweeping grooves to help move out water and slush for better handling and performance. For wet grip, the WeatherReady 2 also features what Goodyear calls evolving traction grooves, which helps displace water on the road for the life of the tire. Speaking of pushing these pilots, there was one section of the course where we were instructed to go as fast as we could up to the stop sign so that we could slam on the brakes and feel the stopping power of the WeatherReady 2s. And I really took that to heart. In fact, Goodyear executives were standing at the starting line and saying that they would be disappointed if they didn't hear the rubber squeal at the stop sign. And you know me, I do not like to disappoint. It was exhilarating, it was a lot of fun, but I never felt like I was in any danger. In fact, I felt pretty confident. It was funny though, because, I took the challenge pretty seriously, but some of the others with me on the course just couldn't get years of coming to a smooth stop at a stop sign out of their system. Although you can't actually see them in my footage, there were also sections of the course that were purposefully particularly bumpy with some rumble strips installed, intended to show us how well the tires absorb vibrations with what Goodyear refers to as Comfort Flex technology in the sidewall, something new to this generation of WeatherReady tires. And I have to say, it worked pretty well. Of course, you're never going to find a passenger tire that can just completely eliminate the feeling of bumps and vibrations, but the WeatherReady 2s felt good, no complaints. Now, as an all-weather tire, you would expect this tire to feature the 3-peak mountain snowflake on the sidewall. And, well, you'd be right. Bummer we didn't get to test these snow capabilities, but, it's summertime in Ohio. Snow's surprisingly hard to find. Definitely look forward to putting these tires through their paces when the flakes start to fall in a few months, though. Now, here's the thing about all-weather tires. They sit in this spot kind of in between all-season tires and winter tires, right? And so I'm sure I don't have to tell you that not all drivers are familiar with them and their features. So, during the event, I pulled aside Andrew Lau, Goodyear's product marketing manager, to ask about the geographic areas where tire dealers should really be paying attention to the all-weather market.
So true winter tires really focus on temperature as well as deep snow traction. A 3 PMS designated tire like WeatherReady 2 is suitable if you're in Northeast Ohio, parts of, I would say, the Pacific Northeast as well as the Northwestern part. Those are areas where you have that transition snow. So we may have a few snowfalls a year, but primarily your winters are in that freezing mark. So it's very adaptable tire with a wide temperature range for traction all year round. So that's really that person that doesn't want to switch from, let's say, an all season to a dedicated winter, or they have a summer set to a winter, they just want to run one tire year round.
And you know, we've talked a lot about this tire already, but we've barely touched on the tread pattern. And that's a real shame because it not only looks good, but Andrew says it functions too, especially when it comes to biting through the wet snow and slush.
So if you look at the tread pattern, right, so sipes is what gives you a lot of excellent traction in wet and even that slushy, snowy conditions, because any type of zigzag groove is going to grip. The aqua tread technology that we have, that pattern, that's going to really part the water out and reduce hydroplaning. And then the compound, so all three of those elements combined provide you that all-weather capability. So you're not sacrificing wet and you're not giving up winter capabilities with this product.
Something to note about the Assurance WeatherReady 2 is that it's a directional tire, which means the tire is going to be most effective at dispersing water and gripping on snow if it's installed in the proper direction. Goodyear actually marked the sidewall of the tire here with a rotation arrow to help technicians know for sure that they're installing the tire the proper direction, so that's pretty cool. When it's time to rotate these tires, Goodyear says drivers are going to be able to best maximize their performance by only rotating front to back and not in that X pattern to keep the tires in the right orientation. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if these are really functional or if they're just for aesthetics, or I don't know, maybe you can tell me, but check out these little baby wing foots on the shoulder. Come on, that is just cool. So guys, that is your inside look at Goodyear's new Assurance WeatherReady 2 all-weather tires. A big thanks to Goodyear for inviting me out to test these tires, because it really does make a difference when you are talking to tire dealers or their customers to actually say that, hey, I drove on these tires and I can give you my real thoughts on them. This experience was a ton of fun, so thank you, Goodyear. Thank you, my dear viewer, for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.